Alright, so today I want to teach you guys how to design a logo for your brand. Alright, so I want to teach you guys how to make logo for clients without you knowing any software. In this world we are now, AI can do a lot of things for you. Alright, so I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going straight to the point. Alright, so the first thing you are going to do is make sure you have the kind of logo you want to make in mind. All right, make sure you keep the details ready. Then you go to your browser, then type, so you are going to type LogoAI.com. So you click enter. All right, make sure you have network on your computer. So then the next thing you are going to do is let's make a logo. All right, so then let's start. Click on start. Then you are going to put your logo name here. All right, so you are going to put your logo name here. So I'm going to put I want to design a logo for my clients, so I decided to make this as a tutorial for you so you can benefit from it. All right, so if you want to design a logo for your brand, or you want to design a logo for somebody else so you can get paid for it, all right, so you can go through this process, and trust me, the logo is going to come out a very beautiful one. All right, so I'm going to type the name of the logo right now. So I'll put the name of the logo here. So I'm going to say Big Riches, like Riches store. So here, if you have something that your logo does, you can put it here, but I'm going to ignore the slang because I just want a very simple logo. So I'm going to click on continue. All right, so you have to select the kind of category you are designing this logo for. Is it for e-commerce? Is it a sport, maybe like a gym? Is it a travel agent? Is it religion? So your logo should have a category. All right, so I'm going to click on technology because it's a store. All right, so I'm going to click on technology, and this store deals with selling of laptop and logos. So that's why I'm choosing this. Assuming I have something like e-commerce here, I would have preferred to choose, but here I can't see anything related to e-commerce. So the best option for me is choosing the technology. So I'll click on technology. All right, so all this I'm going to skip, okay, because I just want the AI to generate me a very good one. So here I'm not going to touch anything still. I'm going to generate the logo right now. So I click generate, and the AI is going to pump out with, so the AI is going to come up with a lot of logos. All right, so these are the logos the AI generates. You have to look for the one that is cool for you to use. Then you are going to click on it. So you have to pay before you can download the logo here, but because we are going to do this for free, I will teach you a scope that you can use, to get your logo from this particular LogoAI.com without paying a dime. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on edit. So I'm going to choose this because I love this. I think this is a very good logo. We have another one here, but I will just go with this. All right, so I will go with this. So I'll click edit. All right, so I'll click edit. Okay, so I have a lot of logo this side. So what I'm going to do now, because I'm going to select, let me look for the one I'm going to select. So I am going to select the first one. So, and to do that, all right, so I will go to search here on my computer and search for snipper tools because I'm going to snip it off from that side since I don't have money to pay and this tutorial is based on free. So I'm going to click on snippers tools. All right, so I'm going to click on new, then I'm going to snip this logo off here. All right, so I'm going to snip this logo off here, so I'll do it this way. All right, then I will have this logo save as. So I will say all right, so I have this logo saved on my computer now. Maybe if I decide I want to have another, I could do that by snipping it off again. All right, so I will still type for snipper tools, click it. All right, so I'll click on new, then come here and take it off. All right, so this is another one. Then I will save. All right, so let's go check out how the logo look like. Then I'll click on, here's the first one. All right, so this is the first logo. You can see this is our first logo and this is the second one. So this is our first logo and this is the second one. All right, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and expect a video like this from me.